Easiest way on how to color match images in Photoshop. The first step is drag the model and drop it into the new background. Press Ctrl-T to select the free transform tool. Then click and drag handles to resize and position the model. Hit Enter or Return when you're finished. Go to Select and choose the subject. Then click the Add Layer Mask icon. Click on the Adjustment Layer icon and choose the curves. And make sure the layer's thumbnail is selected. Click on the Clip to Layer icon. Click the three lines and choose Auto Options. Then select Find Dark and Light Colors. Uncheck the Snap Neutral Midtones. Click Shadows Color. Pick the darkest area from the background. Click Midtones Color. Pick the color between dark and bright area. Click Highlights Color. Pick the brightness area from the background. When you're done, click OK. Click Yes. Then close the Properties panel. Go back to Adjustment Layer icon and choose Color Lookup. Open the 3-dot file and choose the Crisp Warm Look. And reduce the opacity to 30%. And this is the result.